Ever tried to pay with GrabPay, only to see that dreaded unsuccessful message? Frustrating, right? Let's dive into the common reasons behind this and how to fix it. Understanding GrabPay. Before we troubleshoot, let's quickly recap what GrabPay is. It's a digital wallet that lets you pay for a wide range of services, from food delivery to ride-hailing. It's super convenient, but like any digital system, it can sometimes encounter hiccups. Common reasons for unsuccessful GrabPay transactions. Insufficient funds. Check your balance. The most basic reason is a lack of funds in your GrabPay wallet. Top up. If your balance is low, top up using various methods like credit cards, debit cards, or online banking. Poor internet connection. Stable connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can disrupt the transaction process. Retry. Ensure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or have a stable mobile data connection. Technical glitches. Temporary issues. Sometimes, GrabPay might experience temporary technical difficulties. Wait and retry. In such cases, patience is key. Wait a few minutes and try again. Incorrect payment information. Verify details. Double-check your payment information, including card details, expiration date, and CVV. Update information. If your information is outdated, update it in your GrabPay account settings. Security restrictions. Security measures. GrabPay has security measures in place to protect your account. Contact support. If you suspect security restrictions, contact GrabPay's customer support for assistance. Troubleshooting tips. Clear the app cache. Clearing the app cache can often resolve minor glitches. Update the app. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Grab app. Check for system updates. Keep your device's operating system updated. Contact GrabPay support. If none of these solutions work, reach out to GrabPay's customer support for personalized assistance. Additional tips for a smooth GrabPay experience. Enable auto top-up. Set up auto top-up to avoid running out of funds. Use GrabPay rewards. Take advantage of GrabPay rewards and promotions to save money. Secure your account. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. By understanding the common reasons for unsuccessful GrabPay transactions and following these tips, you can minimize frustration and enjoy a seamless payment experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.